Okay, good morning students. Today we will continue our problem set 5 only, question number 2. Now in question number 2, what is question number 2? Write the numbers in their expanded form. I have explained you two types how you are going to write the expanded form. Now here first it is given 56 lakh 43,215. Now this you have to write in the expanded form. Now how you are going to write it? So 5 you will write, and after 5 there are how many zero count? There are how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you will put how many zeros? 6 zero in front of the number 5. Or 5 is in a place of 10 lakh. So you will write 5 ka 50 lakh. Clear? Now next plus sign. Then 6 you are going to write. After 5, which number is there? 6 is there. So 6, what you are going to write in front of 6? How many numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 के बाद कितना zero आना चाहिए? You have to write 5 0 because 6 is in a place of lakh. So we will write 6 lakh. Both the method I am explaining side by side. Then plus sign. Then afterward we have to write it down 4. Now 4 के बाद how many zero we have to put 3 because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers are there, so we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4 0. That means 4 is in a place of 10,000. So what we will write? We will write 40,000. Now next same plus sign after 4. Which number is there? 3. 3 का कौन सा place है? 3 is in the place of 1000. So 3 will become 3,000. That means how many zero? 3 0. Very good. Afterwards same plus. Afterwards after 3 we will write 2. 2 के बाद कितने नंबर है? 1 and 2. 2 numbers are there. We put 2 0 or 2 is in a place of 100. So it will become 200 plus 1. 1 के बाद कितना number है? Only one number is there. So we will put 1 0. So it will become 10 because 1 is in a place of 10 only. And last what is remaining? 5. 5 का place क्या है? 5 का place है unit. So 5 ones is 5 only. So this way you are going to write down the expanded form. Now we will do the second sums also. And the second sum is 70,815. Now 70,815 means 7 is in a place of 10,000. So you will write 7. उसके बाद 7 will become 70,000. Or else you will count the number. कितने number है? 4 number. You will put 4 0. Then plus 0, I told 0 रहेगा, so you will write 0 only. Or if you write 3 more 0, then it is also okay. Because 0 के बाद कितने numbers है? 3 numbers है. So you are going to write 0 or you can add more 0. But single 0 is very good. Plus because 0 किसके place पे है? 0 is in a place of 1000. So 0 multiplied by 1000 is 0 only. So we will put only 1 0. Now next number is 8. 8 के बाद कितने number है? 2 number. So we will put 0 2 times. और 8 का place value क्या है? It is in the place of 100. So 8 into 100 will become 800 plus 1 as it is. उसके बाद एक ही number है, we will put 0. So it will become 10. And plus last 5 is there remaining. So 5 is in a place of unit. So 5 ones are 5 only or 5. So here in this way you are going to solve it the expanded form. Okay, the next question is write the place name and place value of each digit in the following number. Now here what you are going to do, here you are going to write the place name and the place value of each digit. How I have explained you by taking the table. So here also you will draw the table and you are going to solve it by writing the place name and the place value. So how you are going to do, I just show you first and then rest second sums you are going to do your own. First you have to make the table 1, 2nd and 3rd row. In first, what I have told you to write, now I want answers from your side. In first column, what I will write? That also I have explained you the example sum. The first column, what I should write? I want answers from your side. Very good. In the first column, I will write the digit. D-I-G-I-T. Digit. Okay. Now in second column, very nice. Second column, I will write place. Okay. Now in third column, what I should write over there? Very nice. I should write the place value. See, you have to write the full form. PV, no. You will write the place value. Okay. Now, digit may I have to write the number, that is 3, 5, 7, 0, 5. Is it clear? Now, each and every digit we will write the place. Now, 5 place is what? Very good. 5 का place है unit. 0 place is 10. 7 place is 100. Full form, huh? 5 place is 1000 and 3 place is 10,000. 3 place का क्या है? 10,000. Now we will write the place value. The 5 unit means 5 ones are 5. 10, 0, 10 means 0 multiplied by 10. 0 tens are 0. 7 multiplied by 100. It will become 700. Now 5 multiplied by 1000. So it will become 5,000. And last 3 multiplied by 10,000. So it will become 30,000. So what number it will become? It will become 30,000. So in this way, you are going to solve the place name and the place value of each digit. The next question is question number 4, and this is the last point of practice set 5. Now in this question, expanded form numbers are given. You have to write the numbers. Expanded form numbers are given. You have to write the numbers. Now how you are going to write down the numbers? Let me show you. See. First, it is given 60,000, then 4,000, then 600, then 70, then 9. So, how you are going to write it down? First, it is given 60,000 means 6. After 1,000, 60,000, thousands number should come. So, 1,000 number is only given. So, we will write 4, then 600 ka 6, then 70, 7. And then 9 is in the place of unit. So it will come as 60,679. 64,679. In the same way, you are going to solve the third sum. Now you are going to tell me the answer. Chalo, give me the answers in the chat box of the third question. Yeah, I'm waiting for your answer. Yes, very good. Students are giving me the answer. What is the answer of the third sum? Third sum, not the fifth one. Third one, Aditya. Very nice. I want answers from each and every student. Then I will write the answers for cross-checking whether they have given the right answer or wrong. Very good. Everyone is giving the answers. Okay, now I'll write, just cross-check whether yours and our sums are right or wrong. It will come 20 lakh 69,570. Everyone is given the same answer. That means they have done the right sum. Now our last fifth number sum. Chalo, I want answers of fifth sum. Fifth sum's answer. What will be the answer of fifth one? Very nice. Think it and then only give me the right answer. No, Arohi. Redo once again. You have missed one thing. Very good, Aditya. Right sum. More answer I want from more students. Sarvesh, no. Vidisha, no. Wrong. Redo once again. Think it. What you have done the mistake. Tejaswani also redo. Shlok redo. Manasvi redo. No, wrong. Something you have missed it out. Think what you have missed it out. आदर्श ने राइट किया है. साक्षी also done. Some little mistake साक्षी का भी है. जागृति wrong. Redo once again. Yes, Samartha right. Oh, right, sir. Now Vedant right. Okay, now just see what you have done the mistake. See this 80 lakh, so that we will write 8. But after 80 lakh का नहीं है, lakh is missing. Directly उन्होंने क्या दिया है? 10,000 दिया है. So lakh is missing, so you have to put a 0 of the missing number lakh. Then 5 is there, that is 50,000. Then thousands value, yes, it is there, 51,600 hai, but there is no number, no value of 10. Tens is missing. Direct 100 के बाद unit दिया है, so tens का एक 0 and then 9. So your final answer should be 80,51,609. What you people have done? You have missed out the 0. 0 का जो place है, 0 how it came? Because we have some numbers we have not given, missing numbers we have given. So in that place you have to write out the 0. That's why you have to put 0. That missing 0 is not there in your answer. So you people have done a little mistake. So it will not happen again. Whenever after any number, any numbers are missing, so in that place you have to put 0. Okay, now our next topic is bigger and smaller number. Now bigger and smaller number, how you are going to understand? By comparing the number. You have to compare the number and you have to see whether from first number or from the left or right side number, which number is bigger. So at that time you have to open the crocodile mouth. This is our bigger and smaller symbol. ये क्या है? हमारे symbols है. किसके? Bigger और smaller के. कैसे करना है? Whenever the bigger number is there, in front of that number only, the crocodile mouth. ये crocodile का mouth क्या करना है? Open करना है. In front of the bigger number. Now you see here. I have written here some examples. Through that example, I will show you which number is the bigger number. So first example I have written, that is 38,01,456, and another number in front of it is 8,64,312. Now while comparing these two numbers, what you are getting? Which number is bigger? Let me know which number is bigger. 38 lakh is bigger or 8 lakh is bigger? Which number is bigger? Very good. Which number is bigger? 38 lakh. So the crocodile mouth should be open in front of the bigger one. Now the second question, 6,48,170 or 8,91,354. Which number is bigger? 6 or 8? हमको starting से ही मालूम पड़ता है. Very good. Students are giving me the right answer. The crocodile mouth should open in front of the 8,91,354. Okay. Now next is, I am going to write one question. Just tell me, 5,46,321, 5,43,312. Chalo, now compare and tell me which number is bigger. 5,46,321 or 5,43,312. 5 तो दोनों में same है. Then what we have to see? We have to see which number is bigger. 46 is bigger or 43 is bigger. Now here 46 is bigger. So crocodile mouth should open in front of the 5,46,321. See, हमने first number देखा. That time same. So we have to see the second two numbers. So I hope everyone has understood how to compare the numbers by putting the symbol of greater and smaller. Now the next part, we are going to start with our practice set. Now here also you people are going to give me the answers by looking to the question. Now problem set says, write the proper symbol greater or smaller in the blank. In the blank you have to write the proper symbol. Now first question, 35,33,302 or 35,32,302. Chalo, let me know which number is bigger. Because 35 are same. उसके बाद मैंने क्या बोला था? You have to see the next number. Now one side is written 33,000 and another side it is written 32,000. Very good. Which number is bigger? 33. So the crocodile mouth should open in front of 35,33,302. Okay, now fourth number. Chalo, fourth number में which one is bigger, left side or right side? Very good. You are giving the right answer. That is no, Aditya, that is not equal. Just see, one is 99,999 and another is 9,99,999. So lakh is bigger. So in front of 9 lakh, we will open the crocodile mouth. Okay. Now fifth one, chalo jaldi batao, 4,80,000 or 4,90,000. Very nice. 4,90,000. So हमारा crocodile mouth रहेगा open 4,90,000. Now sixth one, 35,80,177 or 35,88,172. Very good. So it will come in the crocodile mouth should open in front of 35,88,172. So I hope everyone has understood how to put the crocodile mouth in front of the बिगर नंबर, कभी भी बिगर नंबर के सामने ही क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ ओपन करना है, नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्मॉलर. Now, last part of this chapter is solve the problem given below. You have to solve the problem. Just wait a minute. Arnav, I have unmuted you.
Yes,
Read the question.
The Swayam Shida savings group made 3,45,000 papads, while the Swabhimani group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads?
Very good. Mute yourself, beta.
Okay.
Okay. Now in this word problem, what it is written? It is written that Swayam Siddha Saving Group. ये जो है कितना पापड़ बनाया? 3,45,000. But Swabhimani Group, they have made how much papad? 2,95,000. Now you have to identify which group had made more papad. By looking to the figures only, we got that 3 lakh is more than 2 lakh. But this is word problem sum, so you have to write the answers in a word problem statement only. So first, what you have to write it down, we will write number of papad made by Swayam Siddha Saving Group. First statement will be number of papad made by Swayam Siddha Saving Group. That is how much? That is 3,45,000. The second statement, what you are going to write? Second क्या था हमारा? Swabhimani group था. So we will write number of papad made by Swabhimani group. कितना बनाया है? 2,95,000. First statement what we have to write, and second statement also same. Now next is what you have to compare it. Which one is greater? Which group has made more papad? So the next statement will be by comparing both the number. By comparing both the number we have. What we got? 3,45,000 is greater than 2,95,000. तो 3,45,000 कौन सा ग्रुप ने बनाया था? Which group? स्वयं सिद्ध. तो last statement you will write, therefore the Swayam Siddha Saving Group made more papad. उन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा पापड़ बनाया था. So we have to write, therefore the Swayam Siddha Saving Group made more papad. Now we will start the second question. I'll unmute any one student. He is going to read the question. Sugyani, I have unmuted you.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, read the question.
Teacher, which question?
Second one.
Children of primary school in Ahmednagar district collecting 2 lakh seeds, while those in Pune district collected 3 lakh 25,000. The children of which district collected more seeds?
Very good.
What, teacher?
Mute yourself.
Yes.
Okay. Now in this question, children of primary school, that is in Ahmednagar district, they have collected 2 lakh seeds. Ahmednagar district में कितने seeds collect हुए? 2 lakh. While in Pune district, their children collected 3,25,000. So you have to compare it and tell us which district have collected more seeds. See, by looking into questions only, we understand that Ahmednagar का 2 lakh है and Pune district they have 3 lakh. But we have to do the statement wise because this is a word problem. So what will be your first statement? Your first statement must be number of seeds collected by the children of primary school in Ahmednagar. Now in Ahmednagar, number of seeds the children have collected, that is 2 lakh. So your first statement will be number of seeds collected by the children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district is 2 lakh. Now next what number? Next will be the number of children of Pune district. So number of seeds collected by the children of the primary school in Pune district. Pune district के कितने हैं? 3,25,000. Now you will compare. So by comparing both the numbers, we got 2 lakh is less than 3,25,000. So which one is greater? Greater number. सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? 3,25,000. Now 3,25,000 means which district? Which district? Pune district. So therefore, the last statement will be, therefore, the children of the primary school of Pune district collected more seeds. See, by looking the questions, only you people are getting the answers. But this is word problem sum, so you have to write a statement. So in this way, you will write the statement and complete the sum. So here we have done with our second chapter.